IKIO Technologies Q3 FY26 results, short-term bounce or structural challenge ahead? IKIO Technologies reported a sharp improvement in consolidated profitability for Q3 FY26, even as overall business trends remained uneven. Consolidated PAT for the quarter rose 38.09% year to 10.77 crore rupees, reflecting better cost control and operational efficiency at the group level. Consolidated revenue from operations for Q3 FY26 grew 19.81% year to 14.56 crore rupees. However, on a sequential basis, revenue declined 11.35% coke, indicating some near-term demand softness. Total comprehensive income for the quarter more than doubled year to 10.83 crore rupees, supported by improved operating performance and lower relative expenses compared to last year. The 9-month picture tells a different story. For 9M FY26, consolidated revenue increased 15.08% year to 429.94 crore rupees, but consolidated PAT declined sharply by 38.61% year to 20.32 crore rupees, highlighting pressure on profitability over a longer horizon. This divergence suggests that while Q3 saw a recovery phase, the cumulative impact of margin pressure and cost challenges earlier in the year continues to weigh on overall earnings. Standalone performance remained weak during the quarter. Standalone revenue for Q3 FY26 declined 7.71% year to 41.65 crore rupees, while standalone PAT fell 27.48% year to 3.70 crore rupees, indicating stress in the core operating entity. For the 9-month period, standalone revenue dropped 22.11% year to 131.87 crore rupees, and standalone PAT declined 40.66% year to 11.88 crore rupees, reinforcing concerns around the sustainability of standalone margins. The LED lighting segment showed revenue growth at the consolidated level but failed to translate this into proportional profit growth over 9 months. This points to pricing pressure and cost absorption challenges within the segment. Other income did not play a material role in driving earnings during the period, with operational performance remaining the primary determinant of profitability trends. IKIO continued to deploy its IPO proceeds during the year. As of December 2025, 272.18 crore rupees has been utilized out of total net IPO proceeds of 326.14 crore rupees. The company has fully utilized the 50 crore rupee earmarked for debt repayment, improving balance sheet stability. The remaining funds are primarily allocated toward capital expenditure for manufacturing facilities, supporting long-term capacity expansion. No forward-looking guidance was provided by management, which limits visibility on near-term recovery plans and margin trajectory, particularly for standalone operations. The absence of explicit outlook commentary means investors will closely monitor execution consistency and margin recovery in the coming quarters. IKIO's shareholding pattern shows clear stability at the promoter level. Promoter holding remained steady at around 72.50% from June 2024 through December 2025, indicating continued promoter commitment. Institutional ownership has declined over time. Fee holding reduced from 5.06% in June 2023 to 0.61% by December 2025, while de-holding fell from 7.21% to 1.71% over the same period. Public shareholding increased steadily from 15.27% in June 2023 to 25.18% by December 2025, reflecting a gradual shift toward retail participation as institutional ownership moderated. Overall, IKIO Technologies Q3 FY26 results highlight a short-term improvement in consolidated profitability, but persistent weakness in 9-month and standalone performance keeps long-term recovery questions open for investors. If you found this breakdown useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and follow us for more detailed company result analysis.